Hello guys, in today's video we present the Blackview BV8200 and the OSCAL powered one robust smartphone. The first is the Blackview BV8200, a premium rugged phone that combines power, style and innovation, ideal for adventures and dynamic working conditions. With a circular 1.3-inch screen on the back, it provides quick access to notifications, compass and music controls, while the 6.5-inch 2.4K screen with a refresh rate of 120 Hz provides a superior visual experience with the Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection. The 50-megapixel main camera with the optical stabilization makes crystal clear photos, while the 32-megapixel front camera and the 13-megapixel ultra-wide macro camera enable creative shots. The BV8200 has a powerful 170 lumen dual beam LED light that illuminates up to 80 meters and comes with SOS mode for emergency situations. With underwater lighting, the phone is ideal for adventures at night or in the water. It's powered by the MediaTek Helio G100 processor with up to 36GB of RAM and 8800 mAh battery. With water resistance, dust and shock resistance, military standard 810H and IP68, IP69K certifications, the BV8200 is built for extreme conditions. With DokeOS 5.0 on the top of Android 14, the phone provides a seamless user experience and data security, while 3-year upgrades and 24/7 support ensure reliability. Blackview BV8200, your ally in every situation, on the field or in everyday challenges. But that's not all. Let us present you with the OSCAL powered one. It is the world's first rugged phone featuring a 5-watt 138 decibel stereo speaker and ultra bright dual LED flashlight. Designed to deliver safety and convenience in extreme environments without breaking the bank. With a loudspeaker for clear communication in noisy environments and a super bright 170 lumens dual flashlight for visibility in the dark, it excels in outdoor adventures, construction sites and emergency situations. Its 6.67-inch IPS display with the Gorilla Glass 5 provides a clarity in sunlight, while the 90 Hz dynamic refresh rate offers smooth interactions. Powered by the MediaTek Helio G100 and up to 18GB of RAM, it handles multitasking effortlessly. Equipped with a 50-megapixel rear camera, 32-megapixel front camera and the AI-powered photo editor, the Pilot One offers high-quality photography with AI features. Its powerful 50,000 mAh battery ensures long-lasting performance with a 33-watt fast charging and 10-watt OTG reverse charging for other devices. The Pilot One meets MIL-SPEC 810H, IP68 and IP69K ratings, ensuring it can withstand water, dust and drops. Built on Android 14, its customizable shortcut button, dual SIM support and AI power functions make it a ideal rugged companion for professionals and adventurers. If you're interested in these amazing phones, be sure to visit these sales links below this video, take the opportunity and make a purchase while the smartphones are on the promotional price. That's all for now, see you soon in the next video, bye.